Well, hello everyone! Today we're playing Aeroplane Story. So let's get started also. As I said, I started the video late. Nothing interesting happened, just started like 3 minutes late. I love how I'm the only one on this flight. Haven't we just been in the air for like 3 minutes? Where are we? Tornado Valley or SM? What else was I gonna do? Jump of the plane. Does this have mayo? 'Cause I'm allergic. Hello, you're gonna ignore me at least. Give me a drink. Bro, why won't they realize I'm the only one on this flight? How is it evening already? I love how I was sleeping standing up. Where are we going, bro? Like I forgot where. I booked too. Let's speed this up. It feels like natural disaster on a plane. That looks like my BFF SBF. What did I do?
Snakes, snakes, snakes.
Oh, where are they? I think they're stuck. Well, that's a one-way ticket to freedom. Sorry, y'all, I'm not Alice in Wonderland, so I'ma leave the snakes alone. Well, I'ma skedaddle. Yeah, I can tell. I didn't even encounter them. Can we have an emergency landing because I don't want to go on this flight anymore? The good news is that there's bad news. Dog, can't we just have a normal flight? Wow, I could never tell. I think I've lost my marbles. I'm literally talking in third person to myself. If this is a life or death decision, don't put IT on me.
2,000 years later.
Bro, I did it. I saved myself, girl power. So what now? I feel like something bad is about to happen. Well, there it is. Yes, I teleported there. Where are the rest of them? You know the captain better be suffering. Like everyone has suffered except for him, the only bad thing that happened was the loss of oxygen. Now there's going to be some dumb solution. I don't care. Why does it need a code? This is not a two-step verification, bro. Also, this music is getting annoying. I can teleport. So care to explain what I did?
Mom, Henry's putting his beans on his fork. Mom, Henry's lifting up his fork. Mom, Henry's looking at me. Mom, Henry's eating his beans. Ah!
What? I'm just eating my beans.
Henry's eating his beans.
Well, obviously not. I literally booked this flight. I would just like to say I don't like being mind controlled. You know what? I'm not surprised anymore. I'm too young to die, but old enough to see you. Actually, I think I'm going to heaven like read you Bible dude. It's Sue attempting to touch the buttons. Get in the seat. Why are there so many buttons? Oh my days, I'm gonna die. I started late. Thank goodness. So it's over. Yeah, I can tell I was the only one. That's what I've been asking. Okay, I saw a red phone somewhere. I'm so tired I think I deserve business for the rest of my life. And that one person is me, isn't it? the second grade. Oh, okay, I am the chosen one. I was to start with. Oh, anyways, bye. See you in the next one.